Hi guys, it's me, and today I'm going to show you a cat toy. This is just a normal mouse toy, and it attracts the string. There comes this mouse here that makes the shaking sound that the cats come after. And then there's this long other from where you hold it. And now I'm going to show you how to play with your cat. Babushina here is already playing with it. Yeah, she likes it too when you play with her. Come here. Come on. Babushina, it's here. There's the mouse. Come here. They want to see you. Not nothing. Yeah, there it is. It's her playing. Like, subscribe this video, and yeah guys, see you in the next video. Bye.